gana. Super noisy.
Bingitin tayo bike.
No.
Super noisy? Your bag is super noisy?
I can put it.
Pakatamad mo talaga eh.
Because of daddy's scooter.
Go.
Why does Dada's school has...
Ay, wala po. 25 po. Sige po, pabili ako.
At ano pong kulay?
Ito lang yellow.
Ayun po.
Ako.
Kailangan po nila sa school.
Pero po pala. Aling nagsuot ko?
I go home na.
One.
Mami, when you started, mami go home. Huh? When teacher started, huh? I go home. I stay here. Mommy need to go home. Mommy will also learn. Teacher will teach also. Mommy? I will also learn something.
Gusto ko na.